Guys, I'm back, and today we are back again for another fireworks show. So I'll just set this up and we'll just watch it. And we're back, and this looks so cool. Wow, this is so cool looking. I can experience this forever. So if you guys look down, sorry, that's not down. There'll be a ton of dispensers loading up and keep blasting the fireworks. And then if we look up, they're all there. This looks so cool. Oh my god, this is the best ever. This is so the best. This is the best I've actually ever made a fireworks show. This is so good. This is so cool. Oh my god. And guys, these are all the custom fireworks that are available in Xbox. I've not made these on my own because it's too much. They require about a stack. So yeah, thanks guys for seeing this video, and please comment down and subscribe. Please comment. Bye guys.